Wall Street was closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving but will reopen Friday for a shortened session, closing early at 1 p.m. ET. November has been a challenging month for U.S. equities, with all three major indices in the red. Latest positioning shows S&P 500 1.09%, Dow Jones 0.54%, Nasdaq 100 2.92%. Investors at Dalal Street are growing increasingly confident as multiple tailwinds align. 1. Dual rate cut hopes. Investors now anticipate policy easing from both the US Fed and the RBI as early as next month. 2. Trade deal optimism. Rising hopes of progress on a potential US-India trade agreement. 3. Macro strength. India's cooling inflation paired with a resilient growth outlook continue to paint a favorable backdrop. 4. IMF upgrade. The IMF move to reclassify India's rupee regime to CRO-like signals reduced FX intervention and a more stable, market-driven currency framework, boosting global investor confidence. The big question, will the FPI come back strongly? We will spy with one big eye if foreign inflows begin reversing from net selling to consistent buying, especially on hope of further rate cuts and expectations of corporate earnings upgrade and India's rising global weightage. Our call of the day suggests bullish momentum shall continue to be the new normal on Dalal Street with the benchmarks aiming to move to uncharted territory. Record highs as of recording. Times Nifty 26,306.95. Times Sensex 86,026.18. Times Bank Nifty 59,804.65. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1,255 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3,941 crores. Nifty's sentiment is likely to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive breakout on the upside. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,700 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 11.78 levels. At last check, USDINR, December, was trading near the 89.48 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.23 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.17. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely as all eyes will be on India's Friday's GDP growth estimates for quarter ended 30th September, 2025. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,205. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,900 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,277 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,100 and 26,400. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85,610. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,978 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,400 and 86,100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,528. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,100 and 60,100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. It panned out to be banner day for Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty in yesterday's trade. A new record high for benchmark Nifty officially ended a 14-month consolidation and most importantly, potentially triggering the next leg of Nifty's rally. Technically speaking, Nifty is still above its 21 DMA to 5879, 50 DMA to 5534, and its 100 DMA 25,216. Nifty's 200 DMA at 24,566 mark. Stocks in spotlight. Automobile auto stocks fire up. Nifty Auto Index 2 hits record high in yesterday's trade driven by expectations of strong November wholesale figures. Sector outperformance. Nifty Auto is up 3% in November, outshining the Nifty 50, plus 1.9%. Over the last 4 months, the auto index has jumped 17%, compared with a 6% rise in the broader benchmark. Top movers in autos. Escorts, plus 4.49%, 3,852 rupees, and Ashok Leyland, plus 6.67%, 158 rupees and 88 paise, surged fueled by optimism in the commercial vehicle (CV) segment. Ashok Leyland hits fresh 52-week high after announcing a strategic merger between its material subsidiary Hinduja Leyland Finance, HLFL, and NDL Ventures. The deal, set for April 2026, subject to approvals, includes a 25-10 share exchange ratio and forms part of a broader corporate restructuring strategy. Stocks scaling fresh 52-week high. Axis Bank, CMP 1286, 52-week high at 1,304 rupees. BHEL, CMP 290.50, 52-week high at 295 rupees and 25 paise. Hero MotoCorp, CMP 6165, 52-week high at 6,200 rupees. MCX, CMP 10431, 52-week high at 10,471 rupees and 50 paise. Whirlpool of India plunged 11.54% after a major block deal, reportedly from promoter Whirlpool Mauritius offloading 7.5% stake at 1,030 rupees per share, a steep 14% discount to the previous close. GMDC rose 4.83% after the cabinet cleared a 7,280 rupees crore incentive scheme to develop rare earth permanent magnet manufacturing, targeting 6,000 MTPA domestic capacity.